So in the last session, we discussed about permutations and combinations, right or wrong? Alias counting techniques. Okay, I said there will be two types of counting techniques, right? Okay, number one is, as I said, when you're typing, suppose a book, suppose this is a book, consists of 0 to 200 pages. If I want to, I have to type the page number also, right? How many digits I have to type? Such questions will be given. That you should do by your own. Okay, because there is no methodology for it. Okay, you have to understand 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number, and so on. Since already we have completed the number system, you know 1 digit number, 2 digit number, and so on, right? Okay, that you can do. Followed by the questions on permutations and combinations. In the last session, we have already seen up to circular permutation and beads and garlands also, right? Okay, in the two models that you have to understand is in permutations and combinations. Suppose if you take combinations, already I said that order is not important. Default is NCR. When do you go for multiplication? When do you go for plus? I have explained, right? By using NCR. Followed by another type of questions I have explained you, that is, okay, you have to go by using permutation methodology, means by writing something like this. Okay, like this you will write, or like this you will write. Then you will get permutation. This methodology always goes for permutation. Later you have to divide with R factorial, so that it will be converted into combinations, right or wrong? Okay, I have explained you 1 or 2 questions on it. Then I have gone with permutations, and in permutation how NPR is equal to NCR into R factorial, where NPR is nothing but a permutation, NCR is combination into R factorial, right or wrong? Okay, that model, as well as how do we go for factorial, when do we go for some number, power some number, okay, if 0 is there, how do we eliminate, all the models we have discussed now. So that's why in this session, I don't want to waste the time. Directly I will go for the test on it. Are you ready for the test? Anything else you want to ask me in counting techniques? Are you ready? All of you stop writing. Stop, please. Online and offline students, please stop. Good. No, don't do anything. Please stop it. Yeah, how many of you attended all the 12? Nobody? Okay, a bit sad. How many of you attempted 10? 1, 2, 3. What about you? Okay, 3 members. You? 10 questions? 10 questions you attempted. Good. 12. Then why you have not raised it here? It should be visible to me, right? Good. I am again asking. At least here, more than your head. You are not 80, 90 years old. I think your hands will support to rise like this, right? Any problem? Okay. How many of you attempted all the 12? Only 1. 10. 1, 2, 3. Good. 8. Nice. Okay. 6 and above. 12 questions, right, total? 6 and above. Yeah, 6 and above means all 12, 10 all together. Okay, I am asking. 6 and above. How many you attempted? I said 6 and above. Okay. Okay, good. Done. Right, shall we start? Okay, good. So, it is a difficult one or a simple one or a moderate one? I am asking you only. Difficult or easy or mixed? Mixed. Okay, good. Right, counting techniques part 1 of 4 by myself, Amarnath Yamanil. Okay. So the first question. There are 4 routes to travel from city A to city B. I think this question directly I discussed in the last session almost. Right or wrong? A to B, how many routes we have? 4 routes. Okay. And B to C, how many routes we have? 6 routes. And what he said? How many routes are possible to travel from A to C? How many routes? For every means multiplication. 4 6s are 24. Okay, this is a CSAT 2011 question. Do you need paper and pen, or by saying you can answer? By saying we can answer. Good. See the next one. Yeah, this is also a simple question. This was given in finally 2022. Okay, right. A, B and C are 3 places such that there are 3 different roads from A to B. So A to B, 3 roads. and 4 different roads from B to C. Okay. And 3 different roads from A to C. It means A and C also have direct connectivity. Direct is how many ways? 3 different ways. In how many different ways can one travel from A to C using these routes? A to C I want to travel here. Okay, forget about these 3. A to B 3 ways, B to C 4 ways. Means can I say 3 into 4 ways? Normally. Sir, I have other than through B, directly I have 3 routes, right or wrong? Okay, I can add this. Okay, 12 plus 3 is how much? 15. So what is the answer here? C is the answer. Am I right? Good. There it is again. Next one. For a sports meet, a winner stand comprising 3 wooden blocks in the following form. Winner's stand means this is the stand. This entire is the stand. Not this one, not this one, not this one. The total is the stand. Yes or no? See, for a sports meet, a winner's stand comprising 3 wooden blocks in the following. Winner's stand has 3 wooden blocks. Okay, because why? Because students will think that this is for the first, second, third, winner, runner, second runner. Winner means they will think this is the only one, right or wrong? No. That's why narration of the question is very important. Okay, right. What is it? Winner's stand comprising 3 wooden blocks in the following form. Okay, these 3 together we will call it as winner's block. Winner's stand. Okay. There are 6 different colors available to choose from, and each of the 3 wooden blocks is to be painted such that no 2 of them has the same color. In how many different ways can the winner's stand be painted? Okay, right, good. So, how many colors I have here? 6 colors. The condition is that if it is painted with white, this should be white or should not be white? Okay, no 2 adjacent have the same colors. That's what the condition we have. Okay, good, fine. Okay, how many ways we can paint it? Okay, question 1. This is permutation or combination we have to understand. Voice is not audible, sir. Hey, what happened? Hello. Murli, they're saying that voice is not audible, but I am thinking that the voice is low. It is audible, sir. Komali, please rejoin. Yeah, whatever the others respond once. Is it audible? Yes, it is audible, not a problem. Okay. Yeah, then what you have to do is, please Komali ji, rejoin. Okay. Or check your audio connection. You might have reduced the volume. Alright, good. Let's go for the question. Okay. Now we have to identify this is permutations or combination. Right or wrong? Okay, suppose I have painted this one with white, this one with black, and this one with red. Okay. Suppose I have painted this one with red, this one with blue, this one with white. Both are same or different? Both are same or different? Loudly. Suppose here I am the one who has conducted the meet. I will give the prizes to them. Okay, 3 members I want to select. Okay, winners, second, third positions. For these 3 members, I am preparing one, what we say, stand like this, right or wrong? Okay. So, winner stand on white block. Second winner, black. Third one, red. This is one case. Winner is on the red. Another. Yes or no? Both are same or different ones? Different ones. Different ones means this is permutation or combination? Permutations. That is the important case. Once if you know that this is permutations, the game is not at all a difficult one. Very silly and simple ones. Okay. Right. The first one I can go with how many ways? 6 ways. 6 ways I can paint. Yes or no? Okay. What about the next one? So, whatever the color I used here, the same color I have to use or a different color I have to use? Okay. So, how many ways? 5 ways. Coming to the next one. How many ways I can paint it? Again 5 ways. Because total 6 colors are there. 1 color I have applied here. So, 5 colors are left. Anyone can be applied here because the same color I should not use here. But coming to the next one, out of 6 colors, whatever is the color I used here, other than that, I can use any other color. Means the same color I can use again, yes or no? Yes or no? So, how many ways? 5 ways. Okay. Now, multiply 6 5s are 30 5s are 150. If it is there, that is the answer. Because as per the narration, there are 6 different colors available to choose. And each of 3 wooden blocks is to be painted such that no 2 of them has the same color. Oh my god, not no 2 adjacent. No 2 of them has the same color. Okay, no 2 means if it is white, this should also not be white. All are different only. Then it will be 6 into 5 into 5 or 6 into 5 into 4? 6 into 5 into 4. Happily answer will be how much? 120. Okay, so answer is which option? A. Is it clear? Good. Suppose if he said that no 2 adjacent has the same color, then the answer will be 6 into 5 into 5. Okay, good. So the next beautiful question. In a question paper, there are 5 questions to be attempted and answer to each question has 2 choices. True or false. We have 4 options, not 4 choices. But he said that only 2 choices. What they are? True or false. Okay, good. It is given that no 2 candidates have given the answers to the 5 questions in an identical sequence. For all the 5 questions, suppose she selected all the 5 are true. No other should give all the 5 as true. Yes or no? Identical answers should not be given, right or wrong? She given all the 5 true means she should not give all the 5 true. She should not give all the 5 true. Yes or no? Suppose she selected true, 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 false, true. Then she should not give true, 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 false, true. But she can give true, false, true, true, true. No problem. Identical sequence should not be given. Okay, good. For this to happen, the maximum number of candidates is. The maximum number of candidates is. Do you understand the question? Okay, how many questions I have here? 5 questions. Each question has 2 possible options. True and false. Correct answer I don't want. What I want is, whatever is the way one has answered, the same pattern the other should not follow. The other should not follow. Do you understand my point? What is the maximum number of students for this? He is asking. Okay, what I'm asking is, observe here. I am the one who is writing the examination. Okay. For the first question, can I give true or false or anything? How many ways I can do it? The work is not completed into. Second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Means total I can answer this question in 32 different ways. I can answer this question in how many different ways? 32. Come on, speak out. That statement alone is the important one. How many different ways I can answer the paper? 32 different ways. 32 different ways means, in those 32 ways, I will write one, she will write one, she will write one. Like that we will all distribute. Maximum how many members can distribute? 32 members. Suppose if the 33rd person comes, whatever he answers, that will definitely be identical to any of the 32 members. Yes or no? Okay. For no repetition of a similar pattern, how many members can be written in the examination maximum of? 32. So what is the answer? D is the answer. Understand the question? Okay. So actually, if you know this concept, since this is nothing but repetition is allowed model simply. But the way of asking is completely different. So answer is how much? 32. This is CSAT 2016 question. Am I clear? Can I go to the next one? In a question paper, there are 4 multiple choice type questions. This is also a similar one. Okay. Each question have 5 choices with only 1 choice for its correct answer. Earlier, no correct, no wrong. This time, correct and wrong is there. Okay. For each question, how many options are there? 4 multiple choice questions. Each question has 5 options. Okay. Good. What is the total number of ways in which candidate will not get all the 4 answers correct? Okay. Suppose she is writing the examination. I am giving how many questions? 4 questions. Okay. She should not write all the 4 questions correctly. That means that she can write 3 questions correctly, 2 questions correctly, 1 question correctly, no question correctly. Yes or no? Sir, if I go like this, I'll have a lot of chances, right or wrong? Okay, chod do all those things. Sir, total 4 questions, sir. She is answering the first question. Observe that. How many ways she can answer this? How many options are there for that question? 5. A, B, C, D, anyone she can opt, right? So 5 ways. Into. Coming to second question. Suppose for the first question she has chosen A. Second question, can he choose A or should not be chosen? Can be chosen. Suppose I have given a test for you. Each question has 4 options. Okay, suppose for the first question you have chosen A option. For the second question you should not choose A. You can. You can't? You can. Right or wrong? Means this question can also be answered in 5 ways. This question can also be answered in This can also be answered in, means 5 power 4 means 625 ways she can answer the question paper. Yes or no? Total how many ways? 625. Okay, in that there is only one case that all the 4 are correct. Yes or no? All the 4 being correct is 10 chances or only 1 chance? Only 1 chance. Okay, if I remove that because he is saying that she should not, that candidate should not answer all the questions correctly, that chance I am removing. Total how many different ways he can answer such that he will not get all the 4 answers correctly? 624. So what's the answer? C. What's the answer? C. Am I clear? Can I go to the next question? Do you understand the difference between the previous one and this one? Okay. See, there are 5 tasks and 5 persons. How many tasks? 5 tasks, 5 persons. Okay. Task 1 cannot be assigned to either person 1 or person 2. Okay. Task 1 should not be given to person 1 or person 2. Should be given or should not be given. That's why I am simply striking it out. Okay, next one. So task 2 must be assigned to either person 3 or person 4. Okay, task 2 either person 3 or person 4. It is not, yeah. Yeah, you just decide. Suppose don't go for more number of questions. I have only 2 questions. First question I have chosen A, second question B. Okay, now tell me for the first question I have chosen B, second one A. Both are similar pattern or different patterns? So now tell me, order is important or not important? First question I answered A. Second question I answered B. This is the first attempt. Second time the same paper I have taken, first one B, second one A. AB became BA. I'll get the same marks or different marks? Means both are same or different? Different means combination or combination? That's it. Okay, true or false, suppose if I take. First question true, second question false I have given. Second, I got some marks. Then for the next time, first question false, second question true I have given. Same marks or different marks? Right or wrong? So that means that order is important or not important? Important. So it is permutations. Okay, good. So here the most important point that you have to observe is not only me, anyone when they are explaining the concept of permutations and combinations, they will go all combinations at a time, all permutations at a time. When in the classroom, you won't get a doubt that this is a permutation question or a combination question. But in the examination, he won't specify that within brackets, it's a combination question, use NCR. He won't use such trick for you, right or wrong? You have to choose it. That is the first step. In permutations and combination, your first success comes from identifying the question is a permutation one or combination one. Am I right or wrong? Good. Now come to this one. Okay. So task 1 cannot be assigned to person 1 or person 2. Task 2 must be assigned to either person 3 or person 4. Every person is assigned to one task. How many ways can the assignment be done? Again, same one. It is permutation or combination. You tell me permutations or combination? That's it. For a person 1, what I have assigned. For a person 2, what I have assigned. If I interchange, that is different cases or no? So this is simply take the task as a chain. Take the task as the chair. 5 persons, 5 chairs. Now tell me this is permutation or combination? Permutation, no doubt. Okay, good. So now I am going to how many ways can the assignment be done? Means arrangement will be done. It's a permutation. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sir, I don't want to go with the task 1 first, sir. Because this is uncertain. 1, 2 will not come. Who will come? 3, 4, 5. Keep it aside here. What I will do is first I will go with the task 2, sir. Either P3 or P4. Total how many ways I can assign? Only 2 ways. Okay. Sir, out of the remaining I will fill now. Out of 5 tasks, 1 task is assigned here. Total how many are there? 4 tasks. In these 4 tasks, P1 or P2 will not be assigned here. Because it is either P3 or P4, not P1 or P2. Yes, sir. Means out of these 4, P1, P2 both are there. These 2 will come here or will not come here? Will not come here. Means how many ways I can assign this task? Total 5 tasks, na? P3 or 4, 1 is appeared here. P1, P2 should not come here. This is already appeared. So these 2 no. So how many ways I can do? 2 ways. Sir, these 3 persons are gentlemen, sir. They don't have any condition. Whatever the task you give, I am ready to answer. They are like me. Whatever the question you ask, I am ready to answer you. Yes or no? Right. So, means total 5 tasks, 2 tasks are completed. Now we have 3 tasks. Anyone may come here. Work is not completed into any 2, anyone. Yes or no? Okay. 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12 into 2. How many ways? What's the answer? C is the answer. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
So, for example, if you choose P3 task 2, so P4 can be chosen in task 1 as well.
Yes.
So, there are 3 possibilities given.
Total 4. No. Only 2 possibilities. What you have to think is, this is done in 2 ways. Total 5 tasks. 1 appeared there. Okay. What are the remaining ones? Tell me. 4 tasks are there now. What they are? P1, P2, P5. Definitely be there. The other one is either P3 or P4. Only one will be there. Okay. So for this one, how many are there actually? 4 possibilities actually. In that, these 2 should not come here now. Yes or no? Means how many ways we can choose it? 2 ways. Yes or no? Do you understand my point? Okay. So now for the next person, what I will think is total 5 tasks. They don't have any condition that he has to come, that should not come. No such condition now. Out of 5, 2 appeared, sir. 3 are there. 3, 2, 1. Got it? That's it. Hope I have addressed your doubt. Mahesh. Right, go to the next question. Right, there are 5 persons P, Q, R, S and T, each one of whom has to be assigned 1 task. A similar question. They have not named earlier 5 persons, he said, now they have named it. Neither P nor Q can be assigned to task 1. Okay, task 1, okay, should not be given to P or Q. Okay, strike out. Task 2 must be assigned to R or S. Similar question or different one? Same question, instead of P1, 2, 3, 4, he has given names P, Q, R, S, P. Okay. So, in how many ways can the assignment be done? How many ways? 24 ways. Okay. D. Can I go to the next question? This is 1 plus 1 offer. Yeah, this is a question in CSAT 2023. Yeah, every time you have to notice one point. CSAT 2023 or 22 papers are difficult, right? But observe, this is a difficult question and lollipop question for you. Lollipop, immediately you should chew it. Yes or no? Okay, you should swallow it. When you find the question, as I said earlier, if you have 60 questions, 80 questions, 120 minutes, first 1 hour, what you have to do? Easy to moderate questions you have to complete now. This is one among them. Okay, so the point you have to notice is, very difficult questions you should not touch in the examination also. Sir, can you please repeat 6th question again? 6th question. Then they have 557. Yeah, just now only, na? Okay, so somebody is asking the question again. Okay, I will re-explain. Okay, right, explanation of that one, this one both are same, I will explain it. Okay, listen carefully. Yeah, so this type of questions you should do first. So, you should know that 27 questions with 100% accuracy you attempt, the examination is over, right or wrong? Yes or no? Okay, so, but you should not stop at 27 questions. You should keep a target of 40 questions. Then what happens? Even though if you attempt 35 or 34 questions correctly, some negative marking, not a problem. If you attempt only 27 questions, if one question is wrong, smash, right or wrong? So if you attempt only 28 questions, one question is wrong, smash, right or wrong? That is the reason, better option, target is 40. If you keep a target of 40, you will attempt 37 questions at least, 36, 37 questions, maybe 3-4 questions wrong. Okay, so the game is over. That is the reason we should plan like that. In that questions, CSAT 2023, this type of questions you should enjoy first. Here, one of the online students is again asking this question. Okay, I am explaining you. Okay, here, this previous one they are asking, that one only I will explain. Right, observe that. There are 5 tasks and 5 persons. Task 1 cannot be assigned to either of P1 or P2. Task 2 must be assigned to either P3 or P4. Every person is to be assigned one task. How many ways can the assignment be done? Okay. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, this task I won't speak first. First I will speak about this task. The task should be assigned to P3 or P4 only. Means how many ways I can assign? 2 ways. Then P1, P2 will be there. P5 will be there. In these two of P3, P4, only one task will be there. P3 or P4. Okay, total how many chances are there? 4 chances. And coming to P1, task 1 should not be assigned to P1 or P2. That means these two are ruled out. So this is one possibility, or in these two, one will be there now. That is another possibility. How many ways I can assign this? 2 ways. The work is not completed, I am writing into. Coming to task 3, 4, 5, there is no condition, right? There is no condition means anybody may occupy any task. Okay, so out of the 5 tasks, 2 tasks appeared here. Still 3 tasks are there. Yellow shirt. Still how many tasks are there? 3 tasks are there. Okay, anybody may come here. So this can be done in 3 ways. Okay, out of 5, 3 already come assigned. So 2 are there. Okay, 2. So this can be done in 1 way. So total if you multiply 24 ways. Am I clear, Asha Jyoti? Am I clear, Illusion? 100%. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Okay, great. Can I go for the next one? How many different 5-letter words with or without meaning? Yes, this is an important word you have to understand. Okay. Suppose I have taken A, B, C, D, 4 alphabets. Okay. How many suppose 5, A, B, C, D, E. How many 5-letter words can be formed? First, we have to identify it is permutation or combination. You tell me it is permutation or combination? Say it loudly. Permutation. Because, sir, suppose, okay, CAD, CAD is a word. So, if I write as DAC, will they accept? No. Means order is important or not important? Important. So, it is permutation or combination? Permutation. One task you have to observe. Okay, next one, with or without meaning he is asking. Yeah, suppose if I want to go with 5-letter words, okay, I will say that 5 factorial, that is 120 ways, yes or no? What you will say? This can be assigned in 5 ways, any alphabet. 4 ways, right or wrong? Okay, if you are going like this, the meaning is that, sir, first place can be occupied by A, second place B, third place C, D, E. This is also a possibility, yes or no? Is it a 5-letter word or not? It has a meaning or no meaning? Sometimes it might have, sometimes it doesn't have. Okay, means by default when you are going with alphabets arrangement, that automatically says that with or without dictionary meaning only. But intentionally sometimes you will write the with or without dictionary meaning, so that student will think that how many dictionary meanings without dictionary meanings. There ends the game. Got my point? It's simply a trap. Okay, don't go for it. Okay, good. Yeah, how many 5-letter words with or without dictionary meaning can be constructed using all the letters of the word Delhi? So point 1, when he give a word like that, how many alphabets are there? 5. First point you have to notice. Second point, any alphabet repeated? No. These 2 are important, right? Okay. So that each word has to start with D and end with I. Okay. Start with D, end with I. Means these 2 no need to arrange it by me. That is not my task. My task is arranging the middle 3 only. Okay, these 2 are already gone, sir. Well, how many alphabets are there? How many places are there? So can I say 3 factorial? So how many ways? 6 ways. Okay. Yeah, if repetition is allowed or not allowed? Yes, not specified means not allowed. Right or wrong? Good. Can I go to the next question? One non-zero digit. Non-zero digit means how many are there? 9. One vowel means? One consonant means 21, total of 26. Now, 5 vowels means remaining 21 are consonants. From English alphabet in capital are to be used in forming a passwords, such that each password has to start with vowel, end with consonant. How many such passwords can be generated? How many letter password he said? How many letter password he said? These 3 are used. Okay. See, one non-zero digit, one vowel, one consonant. So that is 1, 1, 1. Total is 3. Okay. So in forming a password such that each password has to start with a vowel and end with a consonant. Okay. Means automatically the middle one will be a digit. Okay. How many vowels I have? So I can fill it in 5 ways. The work is completed or not completed? So into. How many digits I have? Work is completed or not? So into. How many consonants? Blindly you multiply, you will get 945. Right? So what's the answer? C is the answer. Hope you might have done this problem. No? Oh my god. Done. Good. Can I go to the next question? How many numbers are there between 99 and 1000? So observe the most important point. How many numbers are there between and? Okay, observe the point. What you have to observe is, so here is one person, here is another person. Between how many are there means these two will not be counted. The middle persons will be counted. Means I should count 99 or I should not count 99? Not. So 102, not even 1000. So 999 means only 3-digit numbers. Right? Such that the digit 8 occupies the units place. Okay. Our intention is 8 should occupy the units place. Say yes or no. Okay. 8 is at the units place. Okay, what about this digit here? The first digit can be 0. 508 is a digit, is a number, right or wrong? 608 is not a problem, it's a number, right or wrong? It lies between 100 and 102, 999, right? So happily it can be occupied by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ways? 10 ways. What about this? It should be a 3-digit number, right? 102, 999 means first digit should be 0, should not be 0 here. Should not be 0. 1 can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ways? Okay, work is not completed means into. Here only one way here. 8 has to occupy. That's already fixed. So how many ways? Don't say 90. If you say 90, I'll get some other ideas. Okay, so what's the answer? 90. There is no mention of number of characters in the password. Who is that? Ananya Roy. For you, I am giving you an exam, 1 point. Observe that. Yeah, is it completed? I'll go to the previous one. Okay. Right. So in this question, one of your friends says that he has not said that how many digits password should be set. What you have to observe is one non-zero digit, one vowel, and one consonant from English alphabet are used. This is 1, 1, 1. Total how many I have used? 3. So total it should be a 3-digit alphabet. Okay, 3-digit password. Because that's it, it's a 3-digit password. Okay. Get to the next one. How many numbers are there between 100 and 300? Means what? First, what you have to observe? 100 is not there, 300 is not there. Means it starts at 101 and it goes up to 299. From 101 to 299. Which either begin with or end with 2. Either begin with 2 or end with 2. Okay. And this question we can do analytically. So apart from that, what I want to do is mathematically I want to give you one concept. Okay. Anywhere if you are going with R means union. What is meant by R? R means union. Anywhere you are going with and means intersection. And means intersection. Okay, if you know that, what's the advantage? I will explain you. Here, either begin with or end with 2. Okay, suppose let A be an event that begin with 2. Begin with 2. B is an event that begin with, that ends with 2. End with 2. Okay. He is asking either begin or end. Means R. R means union. Means he is asking N of A union B. What is the formula for this one here? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Can I apply this? N of A means begin with 2. Here 101 to 299 here. Begin with 2 means this place is occupied by 2. Sorry, begin with 2 means this place is occupied by 2. Beginning is that is the one, right? Okay. If it is fixed, Yeah, this can be occupied by 0 to 9 any digit. Yes or no? 10 ways. What about this? This can be occupied by 0 to 9 any digit. So 10 ways. 10 into 10 means 100 ways. Okay. N of A is 100. N of B. Okay. N of B means ending with 2. Ending with 2 means this is 2 fixed. Right or wrong? This can be any of the 10 digits. 0 to 9. 10 ways. Coming to this one, sir, 101 to 299 means the first digit will be either 1 or 2. Yes or no? Yes. So how many ways? 2 ways. Total is how much? 20. Minus N of A intersection B. What is meant by intersection? And. Intersection means and. And means starting with 2 and ending with 2. In between how many digits I can write? 0 to 9 any digit I can write. How many ways? 10 ways. Say yes or no. Those 10 ways I am removing. How much you got? That is the answer. Okay, I have explained you mathematically. Am I clear? Why? Because in beginning with the 2, you counted these 10. In ending with 2 also, you counted these ones. 2 times you should count or you should not count. That is analytical. Okay, this is mathematical completely. Do you understand the concept? Can I go to the next one? Can I go to the next one? Good, last one. While writing all the numbers from 700 to 1000, how many numbers occur in which the digit at the hundreds place is greater than the digit at the tens place and the digit at the tens place is greater than the digit at the units place? So simply saying greatest compared to that less, compared to that less. Right or wrong? Okay, he has said that from 700 to 1000 or between 700 and 1000. From 700 to 1000 means 700 is also counted. We should start at 700. Okay. What I will think is, sir, here one common point is that is 700 to 799. The hundreds place is fixed. What is that? 7. Yes or no? 800 to 899. The hundreds place is fixed. It is 8. Means like that. We have some fixed ones, right? So I am going with 700 to 799 first. So first place is how much here? 7. If first place is 7, the next place will be, it's a 3-digit number, right? Less than this only, not even equal to. Equal to is permitted or not even equal? Strictly he said less than, right or wrong? Less than means it might be 6. It might be 6. If it is 6 or it might be 6. Might be 6, that is important. Less than 6 I have to write. Means can I write it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. 6 I should not write. So how many ways I can fill it? 5 cases I will get. I am unable to write all. So 760 is a possibility or not? I am asking you only. 761, 762. I don't know. How many cases we have? 6. Because units place can be 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 cases. Suppose this is 7, sir. This is, why should I take 6 only? 5 also you can take, right? Going in an order. This can be less than 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means how many cases? 5 cases. Yeah, earlier how many cases here? 6 cases. I have written 5 now. Okay, I am saying 6 and I am writing 5. Okay, right, 6 cases. Now it is only 5 cases. Suppose if it is reduced by one more case reduces, yes or no? Next one, 3, 2, 1. 0 is no need to count, right? Okay, these many cases are there between 700 to 799. Later we will count it. How many it is? 21. Already she counted. Okay, I am writing here. Here 21 cases are there. Sir, suppose if I go from 800 to 899, what I am expecting is 899. Sir, if it is 8, this can be 7. How many ways? Keep it aside. If it is 8, if it is 6. If it is 6 means the same you will get, right? Yes or no? So no need to write all these things again. So these are 21 cases. That is the extra case I have to take. Now no need to count it even, that one also manually. So 7 only. Why? Because if it is 6 cases, 5 cases. 7 cases. Right or wrong? How many it will be? 28. Suppose if I go from 900 to 999, observe the small point. Okay, first digit is 9. Keep the second digit 8 and so on aside. 97. 97 means already I have counted, right? How many I got? 28. Okay. So this is only one. 8 means 8 only I will get, right? Yes or no? How many I will get here? 36 cases. Okay, total how many cases I will get? Okay, add it. 21, 28, 36. Okay, 15 and this is 14 or 15? 4 plus 4, 8, 85. Okay, how many cases are there? See, 85 cases. Do you understand how logical we can count them? Am I clear? Good. Right, with this we have successfully completed this. Can I go to the next one? Is it clear or any doubts? Clear. Shall we go to the next exam? No need of any basic. We'll start the exam directly. All of you look at 12th question, online and offline students. 12th question. A person X wants to distribute some pens among 6 children A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. Next one. So now I will do some corrections. Make it. Suppose A gets twice the number of pens received by B, comma, 3 times that of C, comma, 4 times that of D, comma, 5 times that of E and 6 times that of F. Hope you understand what are the missing ones. B and C are missing ones. Okay. Alright. What is the minimum number of pens X should buy so that the number of pens each one gets is an even number? Nice, Asha Jyoti. Good finding. But sorry for the late answer. Yeah, I am giving you 1 minute extra as there is a correction. All of you stop writing, online and offline students. Come on, stop. Madam, time is over. Come on, stop, hero. Good. Yeah, as usual, total 15 questions, right? 15 out of 15 attempted. 13. Good, one number. 11. Good. 10. 8 and more. Okay, good. Down. Good. Slowly the number is increasing. Okay, fine. Anyhow. So now let's go for the paper 2 explanation for you. Okay, how it is? Is it difficult or moderate or easy or mixed? Mix. Moderate. Right, good here. Counting techniques part 2 of 4 by myself, Amarnath Imani. Okay. Now let us see the questions one by one. The number of times the digit 5 will be appear while writing the integers from 1 to 100. Okay, this is CSAT 2019 question. Okay, from 1 to 100. Sorry, 1 to 1000. From 1 to 1000 means 1 is required, 1000 is also required. Yes or no? Okay, good. So, how many times the digit 5 will appear? How many times means? Sir, it might appear once. It might appear for twice. It might appear for thrice. Yes or no? Okay, good. So, what I can say is, sir, first I am going with 1 to 9, sir. No need to do it, sir. Only once it will appear, that is 5. Yes or no? Okay, good. 5. The game is over. So, means in one digit number, only one time it will appear. 1 to 9 completed, sir. Now I am going to 10 to 99. Means I am going with one digit number or two digit numbers? Two digit number. Okay, how many times 5 appear means, sir, 5 may appear at the units place, sir. 5 may appear at the tens place, sir. Two cases I have to study. Yes or no? Okay, 5 is appearing at the units place means the tens digit may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right or wrong? How many ways? 9 ways. Yes or no? Okay, 9 ways. I'm writing separately. 9. 5 appeared on the tens place. 50, 1, 2, 3, and so on. How many? 10. Okay. But sir, I will count only 9, sir. Why? Because, oh sorry, 10 times I have to count. 10 times I have to count. Because in 55, 5 appeared 2 times. Both the times I have to count. Yes or no? So all I have to count. So how many ways so far I got is 10, 9, 1. That means 20 times. Okay, so far I am up to 2 digit only. Now I am going to 3 digit number. 3 digit number means 100 to 999. 100 to 999. 1000 no need to consider because in 1000 no 5. Up to 999 only we need, right or wrong? Okay, 5 may appear at the units place. 5 may appear at the tens place. 5 may appear at the hundreds place. Right or wrong? Okay, 5 is appearing at the units place means this can be 0 to 9. Any digit, yes or no? How many ways this can be filled? 10 ways. Okay. What about this? 0 is, yeah.
So the number is talking by vice versa.
Yes. Okay, in 55, how many 5s are there? So, how many times digit 5 appears only? Wait. I'll give you a small difference. Notice that those two statements. How many times the digit 5 appear? How many numbers have 5 as a digit? Both are same or different? How many times 5 appear? How many numbers have 5 as a digit? How many numbers 5 as a digit means 55 is also a number, only one number where 5 appears. So you will count it as 2 times or only 1 times? Only 1 times. But how many times 5 appears means in 55, 5 appeared for only once or twice? Both the times I have to count now. Do you notice the difference between both? Now I hope your doubt is cleared. Okay, good. Yeah, a units place is 5. Means the tens place can be 0 to 9 anything, so 10 ways. But coming to this one only 9 ways, yes or no? So how many are there? 90. Am I right? So if it is 5, this can be done in 10 ways, right or wrong? Anyway, 0 to 9. Okay, this can be only 9 times, 1 to 9 only. Okay, so 9 into 10 means again 90 times. Okay, this is 5, means this can be 10 times, this can also be 10 times. Total how many times? 100 times. Right? 100 to 90, 90. How much it is? 280 plus 20. Total is how much? 300 times. Anyhow, first of all, do you understand this question now? Yes? If it is clear, I will explain you in a different way. I'll explain you in a different way. Do you understand this question well? Okay, good. So the answer is how much? 300. Keep it aside. Sir, I don't want all these things, sir. You need 1 digit number. You need 2 digit number. You need 3 digit number. Right, good. Sir, I am taking 3 digit number, sir. This is 5, I am fixing. Okay, so this can be occupied in 10 ways, you don't have any doubt. This can also be occupied in 10 ways, I will take. 10 ways means 0 to 9. Means if 0 appears, it will become a 2 digit number. If both the places 0 appear, it will become a 1 digit number. All I have to count now. Is this right or wrong? Okay, total how many ways? 100 ways. Sir, 5 appeared at the 10th place, sir. Okay, this can be 10 times, right? This also I will take 10 times. Means 0 to 9. Then what happens if 0 appears, it will become a 2 digit number. Yes or no? Okay, happy. So how many times? 100 times. Right or wrong? Okay, at 100 place also 5 may appear. So this way already you know. Okay, any digit may come, any digit may come. So 100 ways. So total is how much? 300. When compared to this is far better. But in the examination, I am feeling that you will get this idea than this one. Yes or no? Dirgadarsi, Prapta Kalagnya. Okay, so that's why I have explained both the concepts for you. Can I go to the next one? Let's go. How many numbers lie between 300 and 500? First of all, lie between 300 and 500 means 301 to 499. Such that 4 comes only one time. Oh, 4 comes only one time. Not 2 times, not 3 times. Right or wrong? Okay, good. So all are 3-digit numbers, sir. I am taking this is 4. Okay. This can be done in how many ways here? 10 ways. 0 to 9. 10 ways. But sir, the same 4 should not come again. No? Now tell me how to take 10 times or only 9 times? Okay. What about this? Only 8 ways. Yes or no? Why 8 ways? 0 and 4 should be omitted, right? Not at all. Think one more time. Think one more time. Sir, 301 to 499. 3 or 4 only. 3 or 4 only. How many ways? 2 nines are 18 ways. There is no repetition, right? There is no repetition. Okay. 4 comes here. This is only 2 ways, right? Not a problem. Yeah, what about this? What about this? Yeah, I have a small doubt. Whatever I have written, 2 is correct or wrong? Wrong. Why it is wrong? 4 should not come. 4 should not come. Only 3. So there is only one way. Only 3 has to come. Actually, it is 301 to 499. If 4 comes, 4 appear 2 times now. That should happen, should not happen. So will it be 18 or only 10 times? Only 10. So 9 times. Okay. 4 comes here. Okay. It will be 2 times or only 1 time? Only 1 time. The 4 should not come here. Okay. This is fixed 3 times. What about this? 9 times. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Doubt. Okay, good. 9 times. Because if 4 appears here, the same 4 should not appear here. So we have only 2 possibilities, 3 or 4. 4 should not come, only 3 should come. So only one way. Okay, this can be occupied by actually 0 to 9, any digit, 10 digits. But already 4 appeared here, that should not appear here. So only 9 times. Okay, good. Next one. So, hundreds plus 4 we got. Here, now tell me, 4 should come or should not come? Other than 4, anything may come. Means how many ways? 9 ways. Come to this one. Okay, actually this is also 0 to 9, any digit may come. But 4 should come or should not come? So how many ways? 9 ways. Okay, 9 into 9 is 81. 81 plus 9 plus 9. 99 times. Total is 99 times. Am I clear? Manaswini, nice. Whatever you said is correct. I already corrected. Am I clear? Can I go to the next one? In how many ways can 4 children be made to stand in a line such that 2 of them A and B are always together? So it says prelims 2010 question. So now tell me, this is a serious question or fundamental level question? 4 members, 2 should always come together. Those 2 should be 1 unit. Okay, remaining 2 should be 2 units. Total 3 units. Arranged among themselves 3 factorial. Into these 2 should be arranged among themselves 2 factorial. So 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So which option is the answer? B is the answer. Wait, can I go to the next one? Using 22333 as digits, how many distinct numbers greater than 30,000 can be formed? Okay? Right, good. So now you will get a doubt. I am having some doubts, I will ask you. This is CSAT 2021 question. Sir, already 2 appeared for how many times? 2 times. 3 appeared for how many times? 3 times. He is asking greater than 30,000. He is not restricting that 5-digit number, 6-digit number, anything. Not even 1-digit number also is not restricting. But 1-digit number is possible or not possible? Not possible. Because greater than 30,000. 2-digit, 3, 4, 5-digit numbers are possible. Okay. So what about 6-digit numbers? Are they possible or not possible? 6-digit numbers, 7-digit numbers, not possible. Always remember, if he said that already some digits he repeated, that means that only those you have to do. More than that, you should not repeat them. If 3 appeared how many times? 3 times. You should not make it to appear for 4 times. Only 3 times you have to use. Got it? Means you have to form a 5-digit number. Yes or no? Good. You need a number greater than 30,000. Means the first digit should be, is it 2 or not possible? If it is 2 means it will be less than 30,000. Okay, it should be 3. Okay. You need 30,000 or more than that? Sir, whatever the digits if I apply, any digit if I write here, it will be more than 30,000, right? Okay, that's why what I will do is, 1 3 appeared here, sir. Okay, now, still I have 4 digits. 4 digits. How many places? 4 places. So 4 factorial. Simply I will take like this. All are different, I am imagining. Later I realize that 2 are same, so 2 factorial. Another 2 are same, 2 factorial. This is the easiest way to do the problem. Got my point? So 4 factorial is 24 by 2 factorial is 2 into 2. So it is 12. 12 by 2 means 6. Only how many such are possible? B. Am I clear? It's a complex question or a simple one only? That idea is important, getting that idea. In permutations and combinations, almost all problems, getting the idea is important. If you get the idea, the problem will be very simple only, right? Let's see the next beautiful one. If 2 boys and 2 girls are to be arranged in a row, so that the girls are not next to each other, how many possible arrangements are there? Okay, so CSAT 2017. Yeah, what I will do is, 2 ways I can do. Listen carefully here. First of all, total I have 4 members, sir. Randomly I am arranging themselves, sir. How many ways I can arrange? 4 factorial. But sir, in this one there is a problem. He said that no 2 girls are adjacent, yes or no? Okay. So in this 4 factorial, some 2 girls may be adjacent to each other, right or wrong? Okay, those cases I will remove. Those cases I will remove. Okay, 2 girls as together means 1 unit. The remaining 2 boys has 2 units. Total is 3 units. So I am removing 3 factorial into girls need to be arranged among themselves 2 factorial. Yes or no? 4 factorial is how much? 24. 3 factorial is 6 into 2. 24 minus 12 is equal to how much? 12. So answer is C. This is one way of doing the problem. In this methodology, there is one small problem. Shall we see an example for that? Suppose there are 3 girls and 3 boys. Okay? They need to be arranged in a row. Okay, such that girls are not next to each other. Girls are not next to each other means no 2 girls are adjacent to each other. Yes or no? In this case, if I go like this, then what happens? All the 3 girls coming adjacent will be removed. Yes or no? But if these 2 come together, that will not be removed now. So then my answer is perfect or not perfect? Not perfect. In that case, that is perfect. Because only 2 girls. These 2 girls are not coming together means no 2 girls are adjacent to each other, yes or no? Okay. Then what the other procedure that we have to follow for this type of questions is, observe that. How many boys are there? 2 boys. How many girls are there? 2 girls. Condition is that these 2 should not come together. Yes or no? Okay, you do one thing. Keep the girls aside because they have some conditions. Boys doesn't have any condition here now. Arrange the boys first. Okay, 2 places, 2 boys. Yes or no? Okay, how many ways I can arrange? 2 factorial. How many ways I can arrange? 2 factorial. The condition is that no 2 girls come together or no 2 boys also should not come together. Say loudly. Girls should not come together. Boys may come together, right or wrong? Okay. So now observe, these 2 places are occupied by the 2 boys. Now for girls, 1, 2, 3 places are there. 3 places are there. So 2 girls may come here. 2 girls may come here. 2 girls may come here, not a problem because boys are coming together. Not at all a crime. Yes or no? Okay. So 3 places are there for girls. But you have 3 girls or only 2 girls? Okay. So 3 places 2 girls means can I say 3P2? It is arrangement now. 3P2. Yes or no? Okay. So 2 factorial is 2. 3P2 means 3 factorial is 6. That is equal to 12. You got the same answer. Okay. This is helpful if we have 3 boys and 3 girls, etc. If you have only 2, that is enough, or this is also enough. Anything you can follow. Am I clear? Both the points are clear for you? Can I go to the next question? If he is saying that girls should not come together, you have to take it as boys you should arrange, then the girls. Suppose if he said that boys and girls are alternate to each other. No, different. Okay. In this case, if 2 girls come here, boys are not alternate. Yes or no? That's a different case again. If suppose boys and girls are alternate to each other, then observe one point that start the problem with the ones who are less in count. Who are less in count, then it will be easy for you. Okay, I will explain you that problem also. Listen carefully. Suppose 3 boys and 3 girls are there. Okay, boys and girls are alternate to each other. Boys and girls are alternate to each other. Shall we do? How do we solve it? Okay, boys and girls, none is lesser in number. So you can go with anything. Boys or girls? Boys or girls? Girls. Okay, 3 girls. 3 factorial. Yes or no? What about the boys? Sir, definitely 2 boys should occupy this one. Or else girls will be adjacent to each other. Yes or no? The third boy may come here, may come here. Yes or no? Suppose both are same or different? Different. If boy comes here, the row started with the boy. If boy come at here, the row started with a girl. Both are same or different? Different. Then you do one thing. Take the boys here. 3 factorial. Sir, how can you say that the row should start with boy? There is no such condition, right? Go with the other case. Girl, 3 factorial into. Now the boys, 3 factorial. Both the cases I have to count now. Either that is the arrangement or this is the arrangement. R means plus. R means plus. Sir, if it is x, this is also x. 2 into 3 factorial into 3 factorial is the answer. Now tell me, both are same or different? Both are same or different? Different. Okay. I should say the dialogue, both are not same. Then can I go to the next question? Yes. The letters A, B, C, D and E are arranged in such a way that there are exactly 2 letters between A and E. How many such arrangements are possible? This is CSAT 2022. You should understand one point already. When I am explaining about tasks and persons, when I am explaining the questions like this, these are very much close to seating arrangement, right? Yes or no? In seating arrangement, what happens here? Between A and B, 2 persons should be there. Okay, so A should not be a neighbor to B. Like that only he is also giving, right or wrong? Now tell me, can I fill it as permutation? Sorry, can I fill it as seating arrangement? The only difference between seating arrangement and permutations is, in permutation, in seating arrangement, you will go with the arrangement. Okay, so you should go for seating arrangement. What is the arrangement finally? If you have 3 arrangements, all the 3 arrangements you should write like this. In permutations, we will not write the arrangement. We will count the arrangement. Yeah, 3 arrangements are possible. 10 arrangements are possible. Do you understand the difference between both? Seating arrangement means how they are arranged. Permutations means how many ways they are arranged. That's it. Count them. That's it. Great. Come to here. The letters A, B, C, D and E are arranged in such a way that there are exactly 2 letters between A and E. So total 5, sir. These need to be arranged. So it is permutation. Between A and E, how many letters should be there? 2. Okay, means A and E may occupy these 2 places. Yes or no? Between 2. Okay. Sir, why should you give these 2? So other possibilities, sir. These two can be occupied by A and E. Between two is possible, right? So total two arrangements are possible. Okay. So definitely in this one, this can be either A or E. Yes or no? This can be, if A comes here, E, only one way. If E comes A, only one way. So only one way. Yes or no? Okay. Now coming to remaining three alphabets, remaining three portions or three alphabets. This can be filled by any of the three. This can be filled by any of the two. This can be filled by remaining one. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, how many ways here? 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. This is 12 ways. So what I am thinking is the same will come here also, right? Just these two places were changed, sir. But the arrangement is same. This can be occupied by A or E. This can be occupied by one way. Okay, this can be occupied by any of the remaining three, any of the remaining two, any of the remaining one. Yes or no? So the answer will be same or different? There 12 cases, here 12 cases. Total are 24 cases. So answer is C. What's the answer? C. Am I clear? Right? Shall we go to the next one? Shall we? Okay, good. But listen carefully. Listen carefully. There is a bag. There is a bag. Listen, this is a concept. There are suppose 10 white balls, 20 red balls. There is another bag. 10 white balls, 20 red balls. There is another bag. 10 white balls, 20 red balls. Okay? Actually, this type of concepts we'll use mostly in probability, but for our examination, probability is very rare. Okay? Permutations, almost if you observe, earlier it is 0, right? Almost. Okay? That's why I'm not talking about it. I'm talking about only stick on to permutations and combinations. Okay? So, in this type of question, if it is a probability, if these two are different, not a problem. Okay, here it is 10 white, 20 red. Here it is, suppose 5 white, 30 red. Not a problem in probability. In permutations, combinations, it is not. Okay. So, these three bags were kept in a dark room. Kept in a dark room. Okay. So, a person X went to that room, randomly kept his hand in a bag and chosen one ball. Chosen one ball. Suppose if he is asked about what is the probability that it is white ball. Actually, that type of questions will be given in probability. But what I am taking is randomly that person has taken one white ball. How many ways he can pick a white ball? Now this is not probability. This is a permutations question. Okay. Actually, what I have to do? If it is selected, 10 ways. If it is selected, 10 ways. If it is selected, 10 ways. Total means 30. This is the way that we have to do in a conventional manner, as I have explained in the past two questions. But the other way that you can think is, all are equal. All are equally possible, right or wrong? So then what happens is, from these three, I will pick one bag first. That can be done in 3C1 ways. The work is not completed in two. One bag, suppose any word, the same you will get, right? Identical bags only, right? Okay. Any bag, if I keep my hand, I can draw one ball in 10C1 ways. So you got the same answer or different answer? Instead of doing 2 times, 3 times separately, it will be the answer. Now come to this one. So, 5 places between A and E, 2 persons should be there, right? 1 possibility, 2 possibilities. In these two, the final answers will be same in each. So, in these two, one I will select 2C1 ways. Now I will arrange the balls. Either this one or that one. If I fill one, the answer is okay, right or wrong? Okay. Coming to here, if A or E means 2 ways, this will be in 1 way. This will be in 3 ways. This will be in 2 ways, and this will be in 1 way. You will get the same answer, different answer? Same answer, 24. Got it? Suppose you go to the next question, previous one, that is, alternate. Boys and girls are alternate, right? In this question also. Okay, you arrange suppose three girls, girl, 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 3 factorial ways. Now these three can be, these three given for the boys, 3 factorial. These three given for the boys, 3 factorial. Means total 2 ways are there. You have to select anyone. That can be done in 2C1 ways. And now one selected, that one I will complete it. 1 means 3 factorial ways. So answer is 3 factorial 6 into 6. Okay, or else 3 factorial means I am writing as is. 2C1 means 2 into 3 factorial. Now verify both are same or different. Same. Got it? This is another way. First select one possibility, then complete it. Then complete it. Actually, this is very much helpful in doing the problems of probability. The problems of probability. Is it clear? Can I go to the next one? Can I go to the next one? In how many different ways can 6 players be arranged in a line such that 2 of them, Ajit and Mukherjee, are never together? Prelims 2004. Never together. Only 2 persons. Again, 2 possibilities I can do, right? So total 6 players means 6 factorial, sir. In that, I will remove where those 2 players are adjacent to each other. Means I have to remove those 2 are adjacent to each other, right? Those 2 are adjacent to each other means those 2 as 1 unit and remaining 4 as 4 units. Total is 5 units. So 5 factorial into those 2 arranged among themselves in 2 factorial. 6 factorial is 720 minus 5 factorial is 120 into 2. Okay, 240 if I subtract, it will be 480. So what is the answer? D is the answer. Okay, friendly, this is one way. Or else, the remaining 4 you arrange first, 4 factorial. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places are there for 2 persons. That can be done in 5P2. Okay, 4 factorial is 24 into 5P2 means 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 24 into 20 means 480. Anyone you can do. Prelims 2004. Okay. These are not direct questions, right or wrong? Okay. Nowadays you are not finding that. CSAT 2017. What is the total number of digits printed if a book containing 150 pages is to be numbered from 1 to 150? 150 pages book is there, you have to count it, right or wrong? It is not permutation, it is not combination, but it is a counting technique, right or wrong? What is the title of the paper? Counting techniques. That's why I have given it to you. Okay. When suppose I am the one who is typing the page numbers. When I will type 1 to 9, each time 1 digit. These are how many numbers? 1 to 9 means how many numbers? 9 numbers. Each time 1. So 9 into 1. 9 numbers I will count. Okay. So 10 to 99, 2 digit numbers. Each time I will print 2 digits, right or wrong? Total digits I will count is 10 to 99 means how many numbers? 10 to 99, how many numbers? 90 numbers. How many numbers? 90. Okay. Each time 2. So 180. Do you understand why it is 90? Yes or no? Sincerely? Yes, good. Here, if it is from 2, here I will explain you one point. Between 2347 and 4258, how many numbers are there if he is asking? Go with the difference. 1, 1, 9, 1. Yes or no? Again subtract 1. Between means that is the case. Okay, how many you will get? 1910. Suppose if he is asking from 23472 4258, if he is asking, go with the difference 1911. Now plus 1. 1912. Anywhere if you go with the difference means that out of 2 extremes, 1 extreme I am leaving. That is the meaning of difference. Got it? Between means both the extremes need to be removed. But if you go with the difference, you have removed only 1 extreme, right? The other extreme I will remove manually. So that's why minus 1. From 2 means, if you go with the subtraction, already you removed 1 extreme. From 2 means both is needed. Means this I have to add separately. That's why manually I am adding plus 1. Okay? Or else, if I ask 1 to 5, how many numbers? You will say 5. If I ask 1000 to 1005, how many numbers are there? Means you will say again 5 only. But it will be 6. Got it? That is the reason I am explaining you this concept. Okay? Right. Some of you may know that, some of you might not. 10 to 99 means both are required. Na? 99 minus 10, 89 plus 1. Because it is from 2 to 2. So 90 into 2, 180. Now 150 now. So 3 digit numbers 100 to 150. Every time I have to enter 3 digits at a time. These are how many? 50, 51. 51. Difference plus 1. 51. Every time you are entering 3 digits. So 153. Okay, it is 12 and this is 14. 3. So total how many digits you have to enter? 342. Okay. Am I clear? Am I clear? One more time. This one or this one? Right side one. Suppose I am typing the page numbers. How many digits? He is asking that. What is the total number of digits printed? Suppose I am the one who is printing. Printing means typing. 1 to 9 when I am typing, only one digit I will type. So 1 to 9 means 9 numbers. Each time I will enter one digit. So 9 digits I will print. 10 to 99 means 2 digits. If I want to enter 10, 1 digit printed or 2 digits printed? 2 digits. Total how many numbers are there? 90. Each time 2 digits. So 180 numbers are printed. These are 150 pages in total. 100 to 150 are 3 digit numbers. If I want to enter 100, 1, 0, 0, 3 digits need to be printed. Okay. So like that how many numbers are there? 51 into 3. 153. Add all. You will get 342. Clear? Can I go to the next one? A printer numbers the pages of a book starting with 1 and uses 3089 digits in all. CSAT 2019. It's a reverse version of the previous one, right? Yes or no? Okay, earlier, page numbers he has given 1 to 150 like that. Total digits how many he is asking. This time, okay, book started with 1 and uses 3089 digits in all. Means total digits count he gave. In the previous question, total digits count is how much? 342. This time it is 342 or 3089 digits. Okay, if you want to print 3089 digits, okay, total how many numbers that the book have? Go with option verification. All the options are very far away, very close to each other. If you are unable to go conventionally, go with options here. Suppose it has 1040 books. 1 digit 1 to 9, 9. 2 digit 10 to 99, 90 numbers. Each time 2, 180. 3 digit 100 to 999. 100 to 999. How many numbers are there? 100 to 999. How many numbers are there? 100 to 999. How many numbers are there? Subtract plus 1 na. 900. Each time 3 digits. 2700. So up to 999 completed. 1000 to 1040. That is the left one, right? 1000 to 1040. 41. Each time 4 digits. 41 into 4, 166. Okay. Count it. 15. Count it. 15. Count it. 10. 3055. You need how much? 3089. Okay. So 1040 is not the answer. Okay, leave it. If I type one number now onwards, it will be 1041, 42 and so on, right? Okay. One number means how many digits? 4 digits. Already how many you want? 3055. How much you want? 3089. Okay. How many extra you want? 34. Check the calculation. 3055. Okay. How many? Tell me. 160. Oh yeah, 164. Yes. Okay. 41 into 4 now. Then it will also be 3. Now it is perfect. 3, it will be 36. 36 means each time you will write 4 numbers, 4 digits. 36 means how many? 9 numbers. Now tell me 1049. That is the answer. This is going in the reverse engineering. Suppose if you want to go with the normal one, okay. So reverse of it you have to do. Can I explain the regular procedure or not required? This is enough. Enough? Okay, good. Complete it. Two 700. Yes, it is. I think Redmi K20 Pro, explain it for 3 boys and 3 girls. I think I have already explained, right? If you feel not, ask me. Yeah, good Asha Jyoti, you have given 164. But with the fun delay, I have given 166. Good, can I go to the next question? One page is torn from a booklet. How many of you did this one? Good. CSAT 2020. Okay, I'll give the answer also at the end. Check your answers, okay? Right. One page is torn from a booklet whose pages are numbered in usual manner, starting from the page as 1. The sum of the numbers on the remaining pages is 195. Okay. The torn page contains which of the following numbers? Okay. Suppose the point you have to notice is, suppose this is the book I have. It has some number of books, pages, I don't know. Okay. What he said is, in this one page was torn. Right or wrong? Automatically numbers will also miss, right? Okay. The point he said is, the sum of the numbers on the remaining pages is 195. Means, okay, I have torn one page now. Forget about this. The remaining pages number sum is how much? 195. Observe that it is not sum of the digits. It is sum of the numbers of pages. Numbers of pages means first page will be 1, second page will be 2, third page will be 3, 4 and so on. It's a sum he specified, yes or no? Here, what is this here? Sum of first and natural numbers. Okay, how much it will be? N into n plus 1 by 2. This should be how much he specified? Actually, it has a small error. Why? Because one page was torn, means 2 consecutive numbers will be missed. 2 consecutive numbers were missed. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, that's why this is absolute one or approximately? Okay, you do one thing. Sir, it's a quadratic equation if you simplify. Go with silent error. Round figure numbers 10, 20, 30, 15, 25, 35, like that you will. Okay. Suppose if n is 10, how much you will get here? 10 into 11 by 2. Oh, it's just 55. No. It is sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. N is not 10. Suppose n is 20. Nearby I am assuming. Then it will be 20 into 21 by 2. 2 ones, 2 tens. Sir, it is 210. Very close to this one. Yes or no? Okay, suppose if I take n is equal to, it is already crossed it now. I am checking if n is 19, what happens? Okay? If n is 19 means 19 into 20 by 2. 2 ones, 2 tens. Sir, it is only 190, sir. More than that already have. If a page was torn, it is 195. If that also added, it will be 195 or more than that. Okay, if that page also added, this is the sum, right or wrong? Okay, now tell me it will be 190 I have to take or 210 I have to take? Okay, so to get a 210, the sum of the numbers I have removed is 15. Yes or no? Okay, can I say those numbers are 6 and 9? Not at all, because those two should be adjacent to each other. Okay, where you get sum as 15 for 2 adjacent numbers? Okay, those are the numbers that were turned out. What's the answer it is? Do you understand that? Yeah, do you got the same answers? Nice. Yes. Can I go to the next question? Yeah, A has some coins. He gives half of the coins and 2 more to B. B gives half of the coins and 2 more to C. C gives half of the coins and 2 more to D. The number of coins D has now is the smallest 2-digit number. What is the smallest 2-digit number? Okay, D has 10 coins. How many coins does A have in the beginning? This is CSAT 2022. If you know the actual procedure, it's fine. Else, go with the options. Correct? Suppose I am assuming A is equal to 76. A is equal to, he gave how many to B? He gives half of the coins and 2 more to B. Half plus 2. Half means 38. Plus 2 means 40. So B has 40 now. B gives half and 2 more to C. Half is how much? 20. 2 more means? So C 22. Okay, C gives half and 2 more. Half is 11. 2 more means D got how much? But he said D is equal to, means 76 will be the answer or will not be the answer? Ruled out. Try the next option. Got it? This is one procedure to solve the problem. Hope you know that. Hope you understand that. The other procedure that the students will go is, sir, A has A coins, sir. For B, he gives half plus 2. Yes or no? For C, again half means 1 by 4A plus 1. Half is, that is the one, right? Yes or no? Okay, plus 2. Am I right or wrong? Like that they will go. What happens is, it will be an irritating one. They will get decimal. Next, if you go with, it will be a decimal, irritating. Okay. Then, the best way to do this problem is, go in the reverse manner. D has 10. When D has 10, she gave half to B plus 2. That 2 if I remove, 8. Now this is half the what she has given. Means she has double. She has so 16. Do you understand this step? If it is clear, means the problem is over. That's why I'm asking you, is it clear or not? Online and offline students. Clear? Clear? Can I explain one more time? Clear. Good. Now what happens? See, when he has 16, suppose I am C now. She gave half to me plus 2. First remove the minus 2. So it will be 14. Now she gave half to me. Means she has double. Double means 28 she has. Suppose now I am B, she is A. What she gave? Half and 2 more. First I will remove the 2. It will be 26. Now she gave double. She has double, right or wrong? How many she has? 52. If you go in the reverse order, it's a very complex one or a very simple one. I think it is very simple than the options also. That's the beauty. Can I go to the next? A person X wants to distribute some pens among 6 children A, B, C, D, E and F. Suppose A gets twice the number of pens received by B. 3 times that of the pens received by that of C. 4 times that of D, 5 times that of E and 6 times that of F. What is the minimum number of pens X should buy so that the number of pens each one gets is an even number? This is CSAT 2022. This problem we can deal like a ratios problem also. Right or wrong? Okay, good. Observe that A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So he said that A, suppose I am A, B and C. What I will get? Twice that of B. Yes or no? Then I will say that if B is 1, A is 2. Means I am doing the problem by using B to A. A gets thrice that of B. Means if C is 1, B will be 3. A will be 3. So if I go like this, then multiple values, we have to simplify later. Okay, you do one thing. Forget about it. Everywhere A is common now. I'll decide A is equal to 1. A gets twice that of B. Means B has only half. Yes or no? C gets, so A gets thrice that of C. C gets 1/3. Yes or no? D gets 1/4. E gets 1/5. And F gets 1/6. Yes or no? Can I say this is the ratio? Ratio means if you multiply each term with the same number, the value alters or will not alter? Will not alter. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Can I say the LCM is 60? I am multiplying each number with 60. Okay, I am multiplying each number by 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. Okay, 60 is to 60 by 2 means 30, 60 by 3 means 20, 60 by 4 means 15, 60 by 5 means 12, 60 by 6 means 10. In this ratio, we have to distribute the pens. Yes or no? Any doubt? 60 by 2, 60 by 3, 60 by 4, 60 by 5, 60 by 6. Say yes or no? Okay, good. So what he is saying is, suppose what is the minimum number of pens X should distribute? Suppose that's the only number. Minimum number of pens means this is the minimum sum, yes or no? You have to add all the numbers, yes or no? But the condition is specified that what is the minimum number of pens X should buy so that the number of pens each one gets is an even number. Each one gets is an even number. Even. Sir, this is a problem. This is even or not? To get even, all need to be doubled. Yes or no? Double. 120, 60, 40, 30, 24, 20. Right or no? Can you say this is the total number of pens? Added how much you got? 120, 60 plus 40 means 100. 220 plus 30. 250 plus 20. 270 plus 24. 294. Okay, which option is the answer? C is the answer. Am I clear? Can I go to the next one? The sum of here, this is a beautiful question. How many of you attempted this? Good, one. What's the answer you got? Only one. Only one. Two possibilities. Okay. All were given wrong answers. It is three possibilities. Okay? I'll explain it, don't worry. So, the sum of three consecutive integers is equal to their product. Okay, the sum of three consecutive integers. Integers means positives, negatives, zeros. Okay, fine. How many such possibilities are there? Okay, right. Observe that 1, 2, 3. Immediately, how can I say 1, 2, 3 is? Okay, what is the sum of 1, 2, 3? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Okay, so we have a beautiful term for that one. Sorry, anybody? Nobody knows it? Oh. Complete number like that one number, one word is there. Don't worry, I'll explain. I'll tell you later. Okay. Okay, 6 is 1. Go with 28. Normally, not for this one. Okay. What are the factors of 28? So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6 now. 28 factors if you take 1, 2, 4, 7, 14. Right or wrong? Add all the numbers. How much you got? 21, 25, 27, 28. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, like that we have some numbers. Forgot its name. Don't worry. After some time I will recollect. That time I will explain it. Okay, so now tell me here 1, 2, 3 is one possibility, yes or no? Sum is 6, product is 6. Okay, right. The other set is -1, -2, -3. Consecutive only. Sum is how much? -6. Product is how much? -6. Two possibilities you got. Those who said 1, this is the one. Who said 2, this is the one, right? The other one is, sir, one number is 0, other one is -1 plus 1. Product is 0, sum is also 0. So total how many possibilities are there? 3. So what is the answer? This is not there, it is 3. T-H-R-E. C is the answer. Am I clear? Somebody has given the number answers. 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, 1, 0, -1. Nice answer. Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. Yeah. If you write your name, I can appreciate you. How can I appreciate Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro? Okay, it is an appreciation to Xiaomi company, not to you. Yes. Yeah, Asha Jyoti has given the name. That is perfect number. 6 is a perfect number. Sum of factors is equals to the number itself, except the number itself. 28 is a perfect number. Sum of factors is equals to the number itself, except the 28. Okay, we'll call them as perfect numbers. That's why we can easily memorize 1, 2, 3. Got it? Can I go to the next one? Good. The digits 1 to 9 are arranged in 3 rows. Anybody did it? CSAT 2022 question. Anybody? Say it loudly. Unfortunately, nobody maybe. Okay. The digits 1 to 9 are arranged in 3 rows in such a way that each row contains 3 digits. Each row contains how many digits? 3 digits. Okay. And the number formed in the second row is twice the number formed in the first row. And the number formed in the third row is thrice the number formed in the first row. So through first row if you get A, second row it is 2A, twice. Third row it is 3A. Simply I am writing. Okay. Yeah, good. Repetition of digits is not allowed. This is very important condition. Repetition of digits is not important. Okay. Next one. If only 3 of the 4 digits 2, 3, 7 and 9 are allowed to use in the first row. In the first row, only these 4 only need to be utilized. You have to utilize 4 or only 3. It's a 3-digit number, right? Okay. So 3 digits out of these 4 need to be utilized. Okay. Next one. How many such combinations are possible to be arranged in the 3 rows? How many such combinations are possible is asking. Okay. Do you understand the question once? How do we solve? Keep it aside. At least do you understand the question? Yes. Okay, good. What I will do is, sir, 2, 3, 7, 9. I'll assume the first digit is 7, followed by 2 other. 9, sorry. Then one problem is there, sir. If I double it, it is 900, right? If you double it, it will become 1800 or more, right? 1800 means is it 3-digit number or a 4-digit number? Means it is possible or impossible? Impossible, right? So first digit should be 7, should be 9 or should not be 9? Same 7 if I take. Double means 700 means 1400, right or wrong? Okay, means possible or not possible? Okay, not possible. Means this should be, if I take 3, double is 600, triple is 900, possible or not possible? Possible. Keep this point in your brain. Okay, so if I take 2, automatically is 400, 600 is possible, right or wrong? Okay, good. So this place can be either 2 or 3. That is the hint for that you have to understand. Suppose I am fixing this is 2. Okay, later I will fix it as 3. Go with the combinations. So first one, sir, 2 is fixed now. Okay, 3, 7, 9, anybody may come. This place I am fixing as 3, sir. Then the other one is 7. Okay, if it is the case, I don't know it is valid or not. Okay, the second one should be double, right? 237 double means 474. No, it is not possible. Why? Because 7 appeared for 2 times. Got my point? Now tell me, this place can be 7 or cannot be 7? Answer me, yaar. Cannot be. So 2, 3, the next one I am assuming to be 9. If it is 2, 3, 9, double means 478. Sir, no digit repeated, happy. 2, 3, 9, triple. Triple means how much it is, yaar? 2, 3, 9, triple karo. 7. Sir, problem is there, sir. Is it correct? 239 triple is? Yes or no? 239 triple is exactly how much? 1, 1, 7, yes, 7, 7, 7, 1, 7. It is possible or not possible? Not possible. Why? Because? Okay. Sir, if 2 appears here, if 3 appears here, 2 possibilities are there, all I have tried. It is possible or not possible? Not possible. Means the second place should be 2 or should not be 2? Should not be 2. Okay. Means the second place, I am assuming to be 7. The third place can be 3. Now I have to check. Yes or no? Okay, I will check 273 and 279. Both I will check. Okay. Double means 546. No problem. Triple means 27 means 819. Sir, no digit repeated if you observe. Yes or no? Okay, is this one possibility or not? Okay, one possibility is fixed. Lock it. Go to the next possibility. Okay, 279 if I take. 279. Okay, double means 558. Sir, already repeated. Waste. Okay. So, with the 2, 7, both the combinations I tried. Yes or no? Now we'll go with the other combination. Sir, after 2, 3 completed, after 2, 7 completed. Now after 2, 9. Means the remaining are 3 and 7. 293 one possibility, 297 other possibility. Both I will try. Double means how much are? 586. Okay. Triple means how much? 29 3s are 87. 8, 7, 9. Sir, 8 repeated, sir. Possible or not possible? Okay, not possible. Leave it. Next one. Yeah. 297 if I take. Double means 554. Sir, already repeated. Possible or not possible? So, if half of the cases I have verified, if you observe. Why? Because the first place can be 2 or 3 only, right or wrong? With the 2, all possibilities I have tried. Now with the 3, I have to try. With the 3, I have to try. So the first place I have fixed as 3, sir. If I fix 2, 3, 7, 9, first place is 3, ruled out. Second place might be 2. If it is 2, 2 possibilities. This is 7 and this is 9. Shall we go with it? Okay, 327 double means 654. Oh, no repetition. So far happy. Triple means 981. Anything repeated or not repeated? Anything repeated or not repeated? So is it a possibility? You got 2 possibilities so far. Keep it aside. Okay, go to the next one. 329 double means 658. Nobody repeated. Triple means 987. Sir, 9 repeated, sir. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Leave it. Sir, first place 3, second place 2, all the possibilities I tried. Yes or no? So, second place 2. Sir, second place 9, no need to verify. Because if the second digit is 7, it will be 370 at least. Triple means 37 3s are triple 1. Triple 1 0 means it will become a 4-digit number. Yes or no? It's possible or not possible? So, sir, for 7 it is not possible. Means is it possible for 9 or no need to check? No need to check. Okay, ruled out. So, finally, how many possibilities are there? Only 2 possibilities. Got it? $273, $327. Right answer. Who said that? Xiaomi Redmi 9 Pro Max. Very good. Yeah. Please come again. This is the only possibility. No, I'm checking. Okay. You asked me now. I'm checking now. Yes, it is. So far, I found this is the only procedure. I can't say that this is the only procedure because maybe some other may give more beautiful than me. Yeah. So I thought in multiple dimensions. I felt this is the only methodology. Can I go to the next question? And last one. Yeah, how many of you answered this question? Nobody in offline. Oh my God. Not a problem. It's a good deal. Okay, in a tournament, have you completed this one? Anybody tried it? Okay, now I will explain you. Listen here. In a tournament of chess having 150 entrants, a player is eliminated whenever he loses a match. It is given that no match results in a tie or draw. How many matches are played in the entire tournament? Do you understand the question first? 150 entrants. Suppose you are 150 entrants. Now here in reflections, I am conducting the. Somebody said. Oh, online, you are giving answers. Nice. Good. So, I am conducting the games for you. Chess match means between how many members will? 2 members. What he said? A player is eliminated whenever he loses a match. Suppose these 2 members played the match. If she loses, eliminate. That's it. Okay? So, like that, we will play the match. Got it? So, how many matches are required to play in the tournament? He is asking. Sir, what is the intention of the tournament? First, tell me that. What is the intention of the tournament? Identifying the winner. Yes or no? Yeah, he is the champion. Yes or no? That is the one that is required. So to identify that number 1, our champion, our winner. Okay, good. So what I will do is, right. Who said that? Jabir. That's not the logic that you have to apply. Okay. In some questions you will get it, but not always. What your friend said is 150 players now. What is the winner now? Remove it. 149 matches, he said. Shortcut. I don't accept. Oh, no, I don't accept. Okay? Sometimes it varies. Okay, I'll give you one shortcut. 64 by 16. 6 and 6 cancel. Answer is 4. 64 by 16 value is how much actually? 4 only. Now you got the correct answer. Will you say that is the right logic? I won't accept it. Okay? What you have to do is observe that. You should do it separately, undoubtedly, there is no doubt. 150 matches are there. 150 players are there. Two members will play one match. After the first initially matches count I am writing here, 75 matches will be there. You will get 75 winners. Yes or no? Then what happens? So now 75 persons means how many matches will be done? Earlier 150 is an even number. You did happily by 2. You enjoyed it. This time it's not an even number, right? Here you have to understand the concept. Suppose observe, I am running the show. 75 members participate in the game. Okay, 75 members. Then what should I do? I will take one lottery. You are the winner. Means you don't need to play the game. You will be promoted to the next level. For the remaining 74 members, I will conduct the games. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. 74 by 2. 37 games will be conducted. Yes or no? Yes or no? From these 37 games, 37 winners will come. One person already got the prize. Yes or no? Total how many players are there now? 38 players for the next one. It's an even number again. Happily enjoy. 38 by 2. How much? 19. Now you got 19 winners, right or no? Again, what should I do? 19 is an odd number. So 1 I will give vice. Remaining 18 members I will conduct the matches, right or no? 18 by 2. So how many matches? 9. From the 9 matches, 9 outcomes. One person got the vice. Total how many? 10. 10 by 2 means 5 matches. So 5 winners for the next level. 5 winners means what should I do? One person buys again. 4 members. 4 by 2 means 2 matches. From the 2 matches, 2 winners and 1 person buys 3 members. Yes or no? Again from the 3, 1 buys 2 members, 1 match. From the 1 winner and 1 got buys 2 members. Okay, so again 1 match. This total will be the answer. 149. Okay, so answer is C. Answer is C. Am I clear? Come on, copy it. Good. Can I go to, this is completed now? Okay, good. Right, now we have to go for the third paper. Third one or fourth one? Third paper. The third has 12 questions. Means 18 minutes of time. We have 12 minutes actually to go for 8. Shall we continue? 2 possibilities. Leaving the class now. Number 2, giving the paper and you complete it. In the next session I will explain it. So that you will take 6 minutes extra. Is it okay? Because according to me, time is very much precious. Okay, distribute all. Let all of you stop it. The game is over. The time is over. Now we have only 12 questions. All the 12, anybody? No. 11. 10. 1, 2, 3 numbers. 9. 8. 6 and above. 6 and above. Okay, down. Okay, anyhow. Yeah, is it a difficult one or a simple one or some easy, some difficult, some moderate? All mixed. Easy. Mixed. Overall, easy, moderate, difficult. Moderate. So I came to know one thing that we will always say moderate. What do you say? Good? Okay, good. Nice. Okay, having diplomatic answers is also a good one, but not the best one. Okay, giving the correct answers in a pleasant manner is the best one. In your interview point of view, I'm saying, if you give diplomatic answers, undoubtedly, he will spend half an hour, 1 hour, no problem. But after that, he won't accept you. Okay? At a certain point of time, at least you should show that you know the clarity. Sometimes it will be a negative one that should be conveyed in a beautiful manner. That's it. Okay? Right, not diplomatic one. Okay? Okay, you're always giving paper is easy, moderate, difficult, moderate. Right, okay, don't go for it. Okay? Yeah, anyhow, I think it's not recommended to explain the paper now. If I explain means it will go another 20-30 minutes minimum. So it will go to 8:40. I think you don't have that much energy. That too today is Sunday, means chicken day. Afternoon you already had it. You're already lazy. You might be crazy. But anyhow, leave it here. So in the next session, immediately when we come to the class, we'll start the paper explanation followed by the next test. Okay? Right. After this paper, in the next session, what I will do is, I will give the basics of syllogism to you. Okay? Because syllogism also consistently is increasing the weightage of it. Okay? So, I will explain the syllogism followed by data sufficiency. Okay, and so on and so on. This is the structure that we have to. Okay? Any doubts? Thank you. We'll meet in the next session. After that, Jai Hind.